So this is a brand new house and not for sale, obviously, no? So you have garden space from the front that goes all the way to the back. So if you were planning to, or if you had a dream landscape scenario going on for your house, this is unrealized potential. This is a blank canvas for you. And this is in Parañaque. So if you've been waiting for property here, well, watch the full house tour. So we have a brand new house not for sale here in Parañaque, and this time the color palette is going to be of the lighter nature. It's going to be white, grays, and browns, as you can see. Okay, so on the left side you have a front yard, and then on the right side you have your gate, which leads to your carport, and then here in the center you have your pedestrian entrance. Now, as you go inside, you'll see a continuation of your front garden. So it's up to you what kind of plants that you want to plant there, but I can already imagine it's going to be really nice once you've actually let some of those shrubs grow. Then here on the right, you can fit 3 vehicles very comfortably. So dalawa magkatabi and then one over there. Now, on this side of the house also, you have access to the staff quarters as well as the service area and your water tank right there. Okay, so obviously it's golden hour, no? So ganda ng tama na araw. But here you have your main entrance and you have a massive doorway leading to your common areas or your more, common areas, tama. So here you have your living area and wow, you have super high ceiling. Meron ka rin abang for a chandelier, which is going to be perfect for this kind of space. You have corner windows, which are still private kasi actually mataas siya. Pero sobrang laki, it lets in lots of natural light. Then you have more, technically these are clerestory windows na vertical. And then from here, you can see your main stairs. But before we head up there, we'll go there. Okay, so here you have your powder room. So you have access to, you can lead your guests here for the sink and the toilet when they need it. Then right in front of that, okay, just to make sure. Right in front of that, you have one of the bedrooms here on the ground floor. So you have this much space. Technically, this is still high ceiling considered, but obviously it's lower than the living area. No? You have down lights and then abang again for a main or a central light here. You have your built-in closet, a corner window which has a view of your backyard, and then an ensuite toilet and bath with a sink, a toilet, and then an enclosed shower space. You have down lights and then may awning window siya dito, so no need for an exhaust. And judging from the sound of my shoes, wooden flooring yung kwarto. And then yung common areas, tiles. Ooh, look at that sun. Okay. So basically, itong area na to, hallway na siya, no? From your living area, powder room, bedroom number 1, bago ka makarating sa dining and kitchen. So this is just blank wall, and you can use this as a sort of gallery. So you can display your art or your family photos, framed photos. And then again here, you have that clearing. So you have lots of space for your dining area. Again, you have provision for a central light here na it's gonna sit right above your dining table. And then here in the middle, you have an island counter. On this side, you have a bar with some storage underneath. And then on this other side, you have your built-in sink, lots of storage on this side. And on both sides, meron kayong outlet para mas madali. Like if you have a blender here or smaller appliances, hindi natatawid yung cable all the way to the other side. Speaking of the other side, you have an L-shaped counter over here. You have your built-in stove as well as the hood, lots of storage, and then your provision for your huge refrigerator. Okay, and then meron pa actually dito, ang dami pa storage dito, which basically acts as your pantry, and then yun parang bar. And then from your kitchen, which by the way, ang laki ng scale ng kitchen. It's bigger than your dining area. So from here, you have access to, again, the side of your house. So this is your 3-vehicle carport, and then here on your left, you have your water tank. So when you bring groceries in, dito na yung daan, madali. And then, balik lang tayo dito sa dining area. So your dining area has 2 sets of sliding glass doors. And, nakaluwa. Ayoko siyang buksan. Nakakatakot. Dito na lang tayo. So your dining area has access to 2 sliding glass doors. So if you open this up, you have an indoor-outdoor situation with your little patio over there. And again, the garden that's basically all around your property. Alright, so that is it for the ground floor. Let's now head up the main stairs. But before that, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more about this house, make sure you check out the QR over here somewhere, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us, invest with Presello. So your main stairs, actually parang sobrang open niya lang dito, no? Kasi puro glass lang siya. Although, you know, despite it being glass, stable naman, and it does feel very secure while you're going up or down. Okay, so second floor landing, and you have this clearing, basically acts as your family area. Again, you have downlights, and then sa gitna, meron kang provision for a central lighting feature. So it's up to you kung anong klaseng design yung gusto nyo ilagay dyan. You again have fixed windows over here that let in some natural light, which casts really nice shadows, by the way. But yeah, basically you have a lot of space for an entertainment console, a couch, and what have you, and even a study area. From here, we have a door that leads to the balcony, which is at the front of the property. It's actually quite a big balcony. It's kasing lapad niya yung carport hanggang sa gilid ng main entrance, because that is the main entrance. So yeah. And I don't, feeling ko rinig ba yung hangin? Yeah, sumahangin. Okay, so let's go back in. See how open it is? Parang lahat lang, parang aliwalas niya. Oh, may abang rin pala above the main stairs. So iba pa yung chandelier mo above the living area, and then iba yung chandelier sa stairs. Okay, so from here we have 3 doors. Let's check this one out first. And here we have bedroom number 2. So again, for the bedrooms, you have wooden flooring. That's yung common areas, tiles. Okay, so you have this much space. I mean, if it was me personally, yung kama nandito, yung headboard. And then end table, and then entertainment. Kasi meron ng built-in wardrobe doon, built-in shelving here, and then your ensuite, toilet and bath, with your sink, your toilet, and then your enclosed shower space. You do have a big awning window over there, so pag big shower, buksan nyo lang yung bintana na yun, and hindi na magiging kulo. So in other words, no need for an exhaust. Oh. Right across that, we have bedroom number 3, which is basically a mirror version of the other one. So same amount of space, same layout, same built-in, and then my shelf din ulit dito with an ensuite toilet and bath right next to it. Again, with your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. Okay, so yun yung dalawa, basically typical, so they're similar rooms. And then here, at the end, we have the primary room. So this one is at the back of the property, so your view is basically puro puno, no? And then you have lots of space. You have outlets on all of the walls, but I'm going to guess that the best way to go about this is nandito yung headboard, and then dito yung TV. If you want a TV in your room. Comment down below if you're the type to want to have a TV in your room, or if talagang kama lang yung gusto nyo, and you know, a little bit of desk space. Okay, so that being said, you have access here for your ensuite toilet and bath, with your his and hers sinks, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. And behind the door, you have, okay, wala pa yung switch. You have your walk-in closet. So you have a vanity over here, open shelving, hanging rods, and for your shoes and bags. So yeah, there's also space here to let in some of that natural light from the awning window above the his and hers sinks. Okay, that's been it for the second floor. I am going to do a recap, but before that, make sure you check out these really cute B-rolls. So you have 373 square meters of floor area and then 706 square meters of lot area. 4 bedrooms, 6 toilet and baths, and a 3-vehicle carport. You have garden space all around actually, except for the galing ang lakas ng ibon, no? Which is nice. Except for the rightmost side, mostly cemento siya. So yung garden space mo mostly nasa left. But you do have garden space in front. You have an automated gate actually for your 3-vehicle carport. You have your water tank already. And yeah, this is brand new. So if you were looking for a space like this or a house like this here in Parañaque, make sure you let us know, send us a message, check out this QR, or go to our website, www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you want to see more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed, okay?